let's come down just a little bit here. Take another breath in and out. Let your shoulders relax. Just kind of sink in. Deep breath in through your nose, as far in as you can go, all the way in. Good. And out. Lean your back. Same thing here. Keep your heads over the same balance. And take a deep breath in and out. Just kind of sink in. Lean back. Okay, we're doing nice and gentle here. Let your shoulders relax. Just kind of sink in. Let your whole body just kind of go here. Let it go. Okay, we're gonna do this one right here. God, I hope that sound came out.
Beautiful, beautiful. Breathe in again. And out. Right arm dropped off the table. There we go. Drop that right arm down. Oh! Beautiful. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Hold it. Move that beautiful spine, brother.
And
Hips relaxed.
I love your videos.
And now, get the shoulder down, breathing again. And now, drop your head, man. Loose, 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 loose. Let it go. Yeah, right. Wow. There we go. Wow. My man, this is so luxury to do. Breath in and out. Drop that. Drop it, drop, drop. Breathe in. Oh, wow.
Alright, we'll do the left side first here. C5 at the bottom. Nice and gentle. Bring it over to the side here like this. You're doing good. That's perfect. Nice and relaxed. And I'm going to follow your breath down like this. And at the end of your breath, we're just going to kind of give a push like that, okay?
Okay.
Do you crack this part of your spine?
Yes, I do.
Okay, good. It feels that way.
Yeah.
This is actually a tough part of your spine to crack on your own. Alright, so we're going to do this one here in the middle. We're going to come up a little bit higher too. So take another deep breath in and out. And let your shoulders relax. Good. Another breath in and out. Let it go. Sink in. Loosey goosey. Good. One more time, deep breath in and out. Okay, so I'm going to adjust the very bottom of your neck here. And so just like kind of get loosey goosey here, and I'm going to bring your head over to the side, but just try to let it go and let me do all the moving, okay? Let it go. Good. Lay on your back. Side joint, now one more, a little bit further down. Good, lay your back. Right from there, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very gentle, just soft breath in through your nose, not through your mouth, and just let your head go. Just kind of sink in. That's good. One more at the very top. Alright, so I'm going to go adjust right in through her thoracic portion first. It becomes a lot easier for her. Whenever I'm pressing down in through here, this left side is a little bit tighter today, so I'm going to have you take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. I'm going to press down, good, relax. Good. That was big. And I'm going to tilt this way. Good. There it is. Take a deep breath in. And I'm gonna have you exhale all the way out. Good, relax. Good. All right, now I'm gonna have you face that side. So I'm gonna go right on this side through here. Good. I'm gonna tilt you down just a little bit more. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Good. Relax right here. Good. Now on your back. How'd that feel? Up on this left occiput region. So I'm gonna do an occiput lift right through here. I'm actually gonna climb on this table like this. Now I'm gonna have you turn this way, and I'm actually gonna contact right in through here. I'm gonna have you bend your head down just a little bit. There you go. So I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out right here. Relax those shoulders for me. Good. Good. I'm gonna have you turn back to this left side here. There's a little bit more. Gonna go down. Just distract the C3, C4 region. All right. So just relax your head here. Bend down, bend down, bend down. There you go. Take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Good. Relax the shoulders for me. Good. Good. All right.
Wow.
So we're going to do some adjustments right here. And go ahead, breathe in and out. Good. Good. Again. Good. One more time. Good. Good. Relax. Now we're going to come up here. I'm going to put my hand here and tilt your head over. This is good for that. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Good, a little tighter there. Good, relax. All right. Good. Oop. Keep that one right there. Good. All right, you're going to cross here and here. Good. Slide this way some for me. Good, right there. All right, I'm going to roll you this way. Perfect. Good. All right, relax. Go the other way now. So before she's coming for lower back pain and hip pain, thankfully she's doing good with that right now. Just the shoulder that's killing you, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right. You all right?
Yeah.
All right. It's moving there already. All right.
Holy crap.
That was good. All right, go on your back. We're going to get the hips now. I'm going to get this side first. Just keep this nice and relaxed. Good. Same thing here. Perfect.
Nice soft breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Let it all go loosey-goosey here. Another one on the right, loosey, good, and out.
And relaxation. So what I want you to do is turn your head into my hand over here. You hold that for about 5 seconds. And relax. Allow some of those muscles that might be just chronically tight to start to ease in and relax, and lets me adjust her a lot smoother. How'd that feel, Anna?
Yeah, much better.
So this time I want you to rock your head back for me. And relax. Nice and loose through here. Good.
Through your nose. What's that?
I like the video you put out. I know there was someone trying to put a anti-ring dinger video out there.
Well, he was trying to explain, he said, what is a ring dinger, when he had to look it up and find out what it was.
Yeah.
I don't know how you can explain it when you don't even know what it is. There you go. Because I've been doing them for over,
Oh my gosh.
37 years now.
Felt that one all in my neck.
Oh, you felt that all the way down, remember?
Right.
Drop it in my hand. There you go.
We're gonna do this left side first. I'm gonna bring it over to the side like this, nice and gentle. Just let your head relax. I'm just gonna give this a little stretch in that direction. One more on the right. Nice and
gentle.
That sounds loud. Hammer time! How do you know how to do the signal? No. Got it. This one's here.
Keep breathing.